Welcome to Wise Academy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I was able to make $10,000 in literally 2 hours of trading in the forex market. So if you want to learn how to do exactly what I did, make sure you watch the entire video and do not skip any part of the video because every information that I'm giving is important. So every time when I'm trading Nasdaq, I always start my analysis on the high time frame. I start either on a weekly or on a daily time frame. Prefer to start my analysis on a daily time frame because the weekly time frame does not provide me enough information. I can see like on a daily time frame, the market structure is actually bearish, which means we might actually have more chances of winning sell trade than actually buys. But if you look closely, we have a support zone that has not been broken for literally since September of last year. So like this support zone is really strong. It looks like it's really strong. So when the market is actually at that support zone, what I might be looking for is going to be buys only, because the market has not showed any sign of breaking that support zone for probably the last 5 or 6 months or so. So I'm not gonna be selling, even though the market is actually telling me that the structure is actually bearish. What I did today, when I came to the chart and I saw like the market is actually rejecting the support zone, this support zone that has not been broken in the last 6 months. What I did, I went down to the lower time frame and actually tried to find entries for buys only. For this time, I was not looking for sales. I was only looking for buys because I had my confluence for that. After seeing the market like this, what I did, I went down to the H4 time frame just to confirm it. As you can see on the H4 time frame, you can see the market is kind of shifting from the bearish structure to the bullish side. So I didn't have enough data right now, so like what I did, I went down to the H1 time frame just to actually have a better view. As you can see now on the H1 time frame, the chart looks much cleaner and we can actually see exactly what the market is trying to do. What I have right now is I have a head and shoulder. If you guys don't know what a head and shoulder is, so a head and shoulder is a pattern that happened in the market, and when every time that pattern happens, that means the market is about to shift. So if the market was actually trending bullish and you see a head and shoulder, that means the market is probably about to start trading bearish. So for this instance, the market was trending bearish and we see a head and shoulder on the H1 time frame. That means the market has a high chance of actually shifting its trend to actually bullish. So I'm gonna show you guys what I mean about with saying head and shoulder. So we have a shoulder, we have the head right here, and we have the shoulder right here. As you can see, we have the shoulder down here, head, and then the shoulder again. So every time we see a pattern like this on a downtrend, that means the market has a high chance of actually shifting, of actually reversing, of changing the trend. So when I saw this, that was my second confluence added to the bag. Knowing that I have two confluences, I just had to go down to the lower time frame and find my entry. As you remember what I said in my first video, I said I don't trade on the high time frame. I don't like staying in a trade for a very long time. So what I like doing is I like to enter the trade, and after 2 hours, 1 hour, even 30 minutes sometimes, I'm out. I don't hold the trade over the weekend. I don't hold the trade over the night. Every time I enter the trade, I make sure if I go to sleep, if I go somewhere, I already exit the trade. So I don't just go somewhere knowing that I have a trade to take care of. It just don't make me feel comfortable. So after having two confluences, two very good confluences, so what I had to do, I just had to go to my favorite 5-minute time frame to find an entry. And right there, it was just too easy to find an entry on a 5-minute time frame because we already have our confluences. So like we don't need to actually find a really good confluence on a 5-minute, because the high time frame confluences are very stronger than the smaller time frame. When I went down to the 5-minute time frame, I was just looking for a break of structure or a liquidity grab. Yeah, so I went down to the 5-minute time frame, and what I was looking for, I was just looking for a break of structure or like a liquidity grab or something like that. As we can see right here, the market did break structure to the upside. The market went up, and then what happened next? The market came down again and break the structure right here. So like what I saw right here is like the market pushed up and people started buying. when the market was actually on this level right here. And then what the market did, the market pushed back down and take all these people that was buying. They was probably putting their stop losses down here. They all got taken out. And that's when I was like, this is my time to buy now. This is my time for me to jump in the trade. So what I was waiting for, I was just waiting for to find the bullish confirmation, a bullish pressure, like a candle that will tell me that the buyers are actually stepping in the market. So I was supposed to enter right here, but it was too early. It was 6 a.m. in the morning, so I was not at work. So I waited a little bit. When I woke up, actually, at around 7, so I found this opportunity right here. Yeah, that's when I found this opportunity right here. So when I saw this candle right here, this big candle, actually this big engulfing candle, which actually engulfed all these 2 candles right here. So I knew that was time for me to enter the trade, because I already had all my confluences. Now it was just my time to actually find a sniper entry, because most of the time I like entering a trade and then just go straight in profits. I don't like having like going in a drawdown or something like that. So after this candle, I just entered my trade right there. That's all what I had to do. And I did not hold the trade for a very long time. I only had the trade probably for less than an hour. I don't remember exactly, because I entered a different position. When the market got to this level, I knew probably coming down, so I was closing my trade around this level. And then I was trying to sell, but I didn't want to be greedy, so I decided to just call it a day, because I made enough profit. So my profit was like 9 grand. I was like, I'm trying to make like 10 grand or something like that. So I just entered like small trade, like up here, because I knew the market has pushed out for a long time, and then there's a high chance for him to actually push, like have a pullback before continuing pushing up. So when I saw that, I entered like small trade for sale, but I was like, I'm not holding them for too long, so I just got out again. And I had 10 grand down for today, so that was enough for me, and I decided to call it a day. So that's all for today, guys. If you want to see the videos like this, make sure you like the video, subscribe and comment down below. That's all for today. I'm out.